Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to become AliExpress affiliate. So if you want to join affiliate community of AliExpress, you will need to use your web browser, and here I want you to search portals.aliexpress.com, and here on this page press blue button Start Earning right here. And also AliExpress may ask you to log into your AliExpress account, and here you should enter your basic information and site information. So basic information include your contact email, verification code, your phone number, social media account information, and this is an unnecessary field, you can skip it. How did you hear about us? And of course to submit some policies, and then complete site information. And once you fill everything, double check everything and tap submit button, and eventually you will get notification or email when you will be approved, and from that email you will be able to start generating affiliate links and earn commissions. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.